We begin with a service desk manager who has chosen to install the Aisera app into their Jira instance. In the future, this will allow for the automated configuration and orchestration of the Aisera tenant, enabling instant deployment of various AI agents bespoke to Jira. For now though, this simply registers a listener which forwards events to Aisera's Event Studio. To see this in action, we'll jump over to our Slack account, where we have an employee, Mark Smith, having issues with their SharePoint. They reach out to Alfred, this org's Aisera GPT model, which analyzes Mark's request and determines that the best course of action is to raise a ticket. Alfred presents Mark with a pre-filled ticket form, which Mark finalizes and submits. We'll now go back to the service desk manager, who sees the new ticket and resolves it. In this case, it was a firewall issue, as they always are. Checking back in with Mark, we'll see that he has received a notification of ticket resolution. However, Mark is having a bad day, and he's run into another issue just before an important demo. This time, he isn't getting any audio output from Microsoft Teams. Alfred receives his request and determines that information it's obtained from public Microsoft support forums should help resolve this issue. Mark claims that he has tried all of these and needs to create another ticket. This time, Mark uploads a screenshot of his Microsoft Teams audio settings, which Alfred parses and adds to the ticket. Mark submits the ticket, but he's under a lot of pressure, so he asks Alfred to help him comment on the ticket that this is very high priority and needs to get done ASAP. Mark soon checks back in, asking about the status of the ticket and if it's been resolved yet. We once again go back to the service desk manager, who is just now seeing this ticket and the associated comment. He's under quite the time crunch, so he asks to speak to a real person in hopes of getting this resolved quickly. The agent has immediately clocked the issue, and Mark goes to fix it. Finally, we'll check in with Mark one last time to watch him raising a service request. Mark didn't give a specific Adobe product name, and thus Alfred shows him a list of all Adobe products within the service catalog. He submits the form, and the service desk agent sees these as two distinct service request items.